is 1 cup of cornmeal and 1 cup and a half of water, and I'm gonna add this to my pot. When you add the cornmeal and the coconut milk to your pot, you have to continue to stir it until all the lumps have dissolved to it. So you just have to turn on this on a very low flame for it to continue to cook. Turn it down on a low flame. Now I'm going to turn it down on a low flame, and then I'm going to cover it, and then it will continue to boil. And when I'm ready, I'm going to add my milk to it, and then you will see the different texture from this. And this is 1 cup of evap milk that I'm going to add to my porridge. Vanilla to my pot. There's about 2 tablespoons of vanilla that I had. I'm going to add some cinnamon powder. Cinnamon powder, about a teaspoon of I add the evap milk and it come to a nice texture. Evap milk will thin it out, and it is at a nice texture. So now I'm going to cover my pot and give this about 5 more minutes. Now I'm going to add some sweet condensed milk to sweeten my porridge. This is 1 tin of condensed milk, which is an 8-ounce tin. I'm going to add some more spice. And this is my finished cornmeal porridge and Excelsior water crackers. If you want, you can also eat it with bread and butter. Also, it is nice with bread and butter. Continue to subscribe to my channel. Welcome all my new subscribers. Thanks, guys. Continue to subscribe, continue to like,